Hey everyone, welcome to the Trading Floor's 25 Days of Tradesmas. If you're already a TTF member, check the announcement channel in the Discord for today's giveaway. If you're not a member, make sure you stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win $1,000.
Good morning, traders. Trading Grandpa here. I just wanted to get into today's chart. As usual, here's the Asian session with my markups for the Asian level here. And then into London. I've got my levels here for London. So then I was just waiting for good old New York open. I'm kind of thinking bullish for today. I have the previous all-time high marked out here, the high and the low, and then this shaded area is the zone that I have marked off for that. So waiting to see how everything reacts from there. I'm going to move forward. So price does its normal thing between 9:30 and 10:30 New York time. So at this point, I'm just waiting. I'm seeing price bouncing off this level a little bit. So I saw this push to the upside. So now I'm bullish for today. So I'm taking nothing but longs today. So I see price come down here and it's reacting off this level here. So I got the rocket print here. I went in long, entered up here just so you could see. I'm always shooting for a 1 to 4.8 risk reward because that's all I need to pass the phase 1 of a challenge, 100K challenge I'm in. So we'll see what happens here. So my stop loss, as you can see, is down in here and we'll see how it goes. I'm hoping that this is going to be a strong level of support now. So we'll see what happens. Let's go ahead and move forward. So this is price, real-time price right now. So we got a little bit of pullback coming on here. We'll see how it respects this level here, the DR level, as well as the high and low level that I have marked in here, that zone. And what I had here was the arrows, from the opening price, which you see the green dotted line, and it's also the IDR, to the mid-level, just the gap that was in there. I'm just illustrating that. I didn't want to take anything too far below this. But once I got my bias for the day, I knew I was going long if it presented itself, and really respected this level here. This gray level is a former or previous DR level, the last level of price. Everything now going on above this turquoise line here is new price. It's in chartered territory. So that's it. I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. Fingers crossed. I'll be back when I see some good action happening here. Well, here we are. It's 10 o'clock and it has turned around. So it's not looking too good right now. It's a pretty strong push down. Although it's a pretty big rejection candle. Well, let's see what happens. As my new trading commitment is, I'm not touching it, not changing it. It hits my stop loss. I'm done. So I thought I'd jump on real quick with this activity going on here. I thought for sure it was just going to keep melting. It still might do that, but we'll see what happens. I will check back with you guys. Okay, so it's now about, what is it? Little after 2 o'clock New York time. So I wanted to clear up something. I want to adjust some rules here. The only time I will move my stop loss is when it hits my 1-to-1 as I previously stated. So that's something that will adjust, but I won't be closing trades early. I won't get all wound up or afraid it's going to hit my stop loss. If I don't hit a 1-to-1 risk reward and profit, that stop loss stays where it's at. And as far as my take profit goes, it's just going to stay. I won't touch it. I'm not going to close it if I'm so close. So that's not going to be touched. One last thing is I don't want to trade for the whole session. So right now I have a stop for 3 p.m. New York time, and that's the line right here. That will be subject to change as I progress with this strategy. If I had closed any earlier, I would have been on a loss. So we'll see how 3 p.m. New York time. So we'll see what happens. We have just a little over 45 minutes. So I'll be back. So I have to laugh. I made this line right here. That's my 1-to-1 reward area. As soon as I put it in, price started going back fingers crossed. We'll see what happens. Okay, guys and gals, so we are closing in on the end of my session here. We got about 30 seconds left, and then I am going to close my trade, and I will let you know what I end up in profit when I close it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Well, all that time for the day, I thankfully finished in profit. $335.57. So considering all of this, it was a good day. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Thanks.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. To be eligible for the free $1,000 giveaway, you just have to be able to receive a PayPal payment. To enter, like and comment below, and come back tomorrow for another video and another chance to enter.